2006, construction began in Russia on the Eastern Siberia Pacific Ocean oil pipeline. The challenge: to lay the main pipeline and deliver the black gold from Siberia's fields to Russia's Far East and the markets of the Asia-Pacific region in the shortest term and under severe climatic conditions. The harsh Siberian climate, with its broken terrain, construction workers were forced to cross mountains, the permafrost and tectonic breaks. Measured by its size and complexity, this project is unique. It presents special demands in the technology, logistics and engineering accompanying construction. We have to take into account the realities that will arise because of this specific natural environment and its interactions on our equipment and production methods. After winning the tender and signing the contract, Stroytransgas began constructing the right-of-way along the pipeline's 6 sections and the main pumping station near the city of Skоворody. To manage the project, the company opened a branch office as well as field settlements to house Stroytransgas employees. Here along the right-of-way, under extreme conditions, engineering and construction technology from across the globe were linked with Russian experience. Nearly 220 units of construction equipment, 70 pieces of welding equipment, and more than 200 self-dumper trucks and pipe carriers were purchased for the ESPO project. Few companies at work on this oil pipeline had, or possess today, such equipment or have such capability. The finishing point on the pipeline's route is still to be reached, but the direction of our work is clear. ESPO's second stage is just across the threshold.